Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 running slow or freezing. So first of all, let's swipe 3 fingers up our touchpad to open recent views. Check whether you have any extra desks opened with some applications running in the background. Also, try closing your recent windows. Check whether you have the battery saver enabled. To do that, simply open the control center, and if this battery percentage info is written in yellow or orange, this means that your battery saver is enabled, and if you click on it and then switch off the battery saver mode, it will significantly improve your device's performance. Now the next thing that we want to check is within the system preferences and its storage management. So here we have to make sure that we have at least 10 gigabytes, no, not 10 gigabytes, but 10% of overall storage available. As you can see, I have more than that, much more than that. That's why the system runs smoothly. So if you have your storage clogged up, you're gonna have to free up some storage. You can do it by deleting your browsing data. In the browsing data menu, you can simply delete some apps you have installed on your computer. You can delete or back up your files, etc. And lastly, let's check the tasks view on our computer. Simply press Launcher key and Escape key together. See the tasks running in your background. Check your CPU usage by tabs and extensions. As you can see, my tabs and extensions do not use my system at all. Aren't using right now. Now let's go to system. So as you can see, the browser uses some of the CPU and also the Linux virtual machine, which we can actually disable by selecting it and clicking Add Task. And then in all tasks, we can check basically all tasks and detect which ones use up the most CPU on our computer. If you see the applications that you don't need, that are using too much of your device's CPU, simply select such process and click End Task. And after that, I also recommend restarting your computer. Go to the control center, go to Power Options, and select Restart, and let your device relaunch to clear the temporary memory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.